Tell me this. Have you noticed how some brand new channels, created just months ago, are already pulling in hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, of views? Crazy, right? But here's the real shocker. They're not doing it with years of experience, expensive studios, or a massive team. So what's happening here? Why are some channels growing faster than ever before? Because right now, AI has completely changed the game. A few years ago, the kind of content these channels are creating would require experts, skilled script writers, editors, and voiceover artists. But today, AI does most of the heavy lifting, and the results are mind-blowing. One channel, for example, started this year in March, uploaded its first video in April, and now, barely 7 months later, some of its videos are crossing 1 million views. Just think about it. With even a low $4 RPM, this channel could be pulling in over $9,000 every month. And here's the kicker. They're doing it all in one of the most addictive niches on YouTube right now. Relationship advice for women with a psychological twist. Not the usual boring tips, but videos crafted like emotional roller coasters. Content that digs deep into human emotions, hidden fears, and unspoken desires. Content that makes people feel understood. Content that hooks you emotionally within seconds. So you just can't click away. And the best part? AI helps them do all of this at lightning speed. Now here's the good news. Today, I'm going to break this entire process down for you, step by step. Before we break this all down, let me ask you something. Do you feel stuck because your videos aren't getting views? Subscribe now. Next video, I'll show you how to fix this so YouTube finally notices your content. By the end of this video, even if you've never made a YouTube video before, you'll know exactly how to find viral video ideas in your niche, or use AI tools to generate engaging scripts, create voiceovers that sound human and professional, get the right footage for your videos, edit like a pro, so your final video keeps viewers hooked till the very end. And yes, I'll also share the simple tricks that make viewers binge-watch your channel instead of leaving after one video. So here's the question. Are you ready to build a channel that can grow like crazy? Then let's start with the first step. Step 1. Finding viral topics with AI. Now before we make the video, we need the right topic, because without a great topic, no amount of editing will save your video. The easiest way? Look at top performing videos in your niche. The ones already pulling massive views. But what if you want fresh, unique ideas? That's where AI comes in. I use ChatGPT for this. Just type in a simple prompt describing your niche, ask it for trending or evergreen video ideas, hit enter, and boom! Dozens of ideas are ready in seconds. Pick the ones you like, or regenerate for new ones if nothing stands out. Got your topic? Perfect. Now let's move to the next step. Step 2. Creating your script with AI. Here's where things get exciting. Once you have your topic, go back to ChatGPT and give it clear instructions for your video style. I usually say something like, write a YouTube script in a tutorial style, make it engaging, and keep viewers hooked till the end. The result? A well-structured script that feels professional but doesn't take hours to write. When you're happy with it, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. And I'll show you exactly how to do that next. Step 3. Generating your voiceover. Now that our script is ready, let's bring it to life with a professional-sounding voiceover. Head over to your text-to-speech tool. I personally like 11 Labs because the voices sound very natural. Test a few voices until you find one that matches the vibe you want for your channel. Once you've picked the voice, paste your script into the text-to-speech page, hit generate, and wait a few seconds for the magic to happen. Download your voiceover file, and now we're ready to move on to the visuals that will keep your viewers hooked till the very end. Step 4. Creating images and visuals. This part is fun because visuals decide how engaging your final video will look. The channel we're modeling uses a mix of stock images, stock videos, and sometimes AI-generated images for narration. You can keep it simple by downloading high-quality stock visuals from Storyblocks. Search for terms like landscape, nature, or female silhouette, and download the ones that fit your script. But if you want to stand out and give your video a unique style, let AI generate your images. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to create image prompts for your script, then paste these prompts into an AI image generator like ImageFX. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, hit Create, and wait a few seconds. Download the images once they're ready. Repeat this until you have everything you need for your entire video. Step 5. Editing the video with CapCut. Now that you have the voiceover and visuals, it's time to bring them all together in CapCut. Open CapCut and start by importing your voiceover and all the images or video clips you downloaded. First, drag the voiceover file onto the timeline so everything else can sync perfectly with it. Then go to Ratio and choose 16:9, because this is the standard for YouTube videos. Now, one by one, start adding your images to match the voiceover narration. If a part of the narration is long, feel free to extend the duration of that image to stay on screen longer. But we don't want static, boring images. So here's what to do next. Step 6. Adding movement and effects. To keep the visuals engaging, select any image on your timeline, go to Animation, then choose Zoom Out for the in animation and Zoom In for the out animation. Increase the duration slightly for a smooth effect. Do this for all your images so there's always some movement happening on screen. It makes the video feel alive instead of static. You can add transitions between clips if you want, but for this niche, they're optional, so don't stress too much about them. Next, go to Filters, test a few options, and drag the one you like onto the timeline. Extend it so the filter covers the entire video duration. Step 7. Adding captions. Captions are powerful because people often watch videos on mute, especially on mobile. Go to Auto Captions in CapCut, click Generate, and let the tool create subtitles for you automatically. Once they appear, choose a template style that matches your video's theme. You can change the font, size, and color to fit your style. But white text usually works well for most niches. Step 8. Exporting the final video. Your video is now almost ready. Watch the full timeline once to ensure everything looks smooth. Finally, export your video at 4K resolution for the best quality on YouTube. And that's it. Before we wrap this up, think about this. What if your next video could double its watch time? Subscribe, because next video, I'll show you how to make that happen. Now you have a complete step-by-step method to create faceless YouTube videos that look professional and keep viewers watching till the end. If you have any questions about any step, whether it's scripting, voiceovers, or editing, drop them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as I can and help you out. Don't wait. Tap the playlist on your screen right now and unlock my full YouTube automation course, 100% free. Start Module 1 today and see how fast your channel can blow up.